Children, do you have your pencils with you? Because we are going to underline some words while reading. Lesson number 2, The Little Bird. Underline the word window. Underline the word clouds. Now let's read the lesson. It was raining. Underline the word raining. The grass was wet. Underline the words grass and wet. Now tell me, which season it is now? The sky is cloudy and it's raining every day. So, it is rainy season. Even in the story, it is rainy season. Rainy season is the season of joy and happiness. Nowadays, everywhere is water. All plants and trees become green, and this greenery makes the atmosphere fresh and cool. Joe, Mahi, Beer and Anu were inside the house. Underline the words inside and house. Joe, Mahi, Beer and Anu, they all are best friends. They all wanted to play outside. But it's raining, so they cannot go out to play. So, what are they doing now? Can you see in the picture? Look, here are papers, some crayons are there. That means they all are drawing. I know, nowadays you also cannot go out to play. So, you must be playing indoor games like Ludo, chess with your family, isn't it? Joe says, "What shall we do all day? It is raining very heavily, so we cannot go out to play. Now what shall we do all day?" Mahi says, "We cannot go out to play." She says, "We have to play inside the house." Beer says, "Oh, look, a bird has come into our house." While they all were talking, suddenly a bird has come in their house. Beer says, "Look at that bird. It is very tiny. It is very colorful. Look at their faces. They all are looking very happy. They all are looking very surprised." Now Joe says, "Let us keep him in a box." Underline the word keep. Now Joe says, "I have an idea. Let us keep him in a box so that he can't fly away." Now Anu says, "Oh no, we must not do that. He will be sad." Anu says, "It is not a good thing. We should never keep the birds inside a cage or a box. All the birds wanted to fly up in the sky. So, we must not keep him in the box. He will be sad. He will feel lonely. We can't do that." So, what happened to that bird? Are they going to keep him in the box? Or are they going to set him free in the sky? We will find out all these answers in the next session. Now children, we have underlined some words. Let's read those words. We have underlined some blend words. Let's read those blend words. Yes, look at this word. So tell me, what is the blend here? Yes. CL, cl. Come on, repeat with me. CL, cl. Clouds. Now look at this word and tell me what is the blend here? Yes. GR, gr. GR, gr. Grass. We have underlined some more words. Let's read those words. Window, window, raining, raining, wet, wet, inside, inside, house, house, bird, bird, keep, keep. Look here, it is double E. That means it's long sound, E, keep. Now we have underlined all the words from these pages. So what you have to do? You have to write all these underlined words in your notebook in very good handwriting. Now we are going to solve some exercises related to these pages. Let's start.